Spinning of coir yarn using multi-spindle automatic unit. We have to collect the required quantity of fiber and then to pass through the billowing machine for refining. The fiber which are feed from one part of the machine have to come through a nail fixed beam which is rotating very fast. At their time there will be an effect of combing happens and the fiber gets finely without pith and impurities at the other side. This fiber is suitable for spinning. In each stage of spinning, the fibers have to pass through the billowing machine and refined.
Sliver making.
In the next stage, the refined fibers have to pass through the slivering machine and makes best
Sliver.
Hence, these layers pass through the multi-spindle machine and finally we get the coir yarn. The refined fibers through billowing machine and the fibers which are feeds in one part of the slivering machine moves through a conveyor which works with the help of a motor and it feeds into combing unit. From the combing unit, the fibers moves to a conical shaped device. From the combing unit, after the first stage combing through the nail fixed small beam, the fibers arranged in conical device. From the conical device, after the second combing through the nail fixed beam shaped as X, the fibers which reach in the conveyor belt and we can see it arranged beautifully mixed. The fiber moves through the conveyor belt, hence reach in slivering unit. Then the fibers move through the two iron rollers and then to another mechanism and collected as sliver in a tray. Thus, the collected sliver then with the process of multi-spindle machine comes shaped as coir yarn.
Spinning on multi-spindle automatic machine.
Comparatively to other machines, multi-spindle machine is apart and best. When the machine is in work, it is possible to wind coir yarn in 3 bobbins at a time. Multi-spindle machine comes ahead in a matter of high production. It works in 1 HP motor. The slivers prepared from slivering unit feeds the multi-spindle machine in one part by 3 warps into 6 mouths. For the production of coir, 6
core threads
which are connected below the machine, cotton or nylon works as a media between the 2 warps and manufactures as coir. The slivers which are feed moves through the rotating iron rollers into a nail-filled beam the fiber have combed. By the result of combing happens here. Each fibers from the sliver has collected in 6 V-shaped trays arranged below. Here is where the above mentioned cotton or nylon threads works between the warp as a media. To collect the coir in 3 bobbins, it has to wind 2 nylon threads, moves through 6 trays, and moves coir proportional to warp. Or in other words, 2 nylon or cotton threads works as media for 1 coir. The fibers from sliver deposited in V-shaped tray moves forward and through spindle tube and into guide,
then wound as bobbin.